To enhance your gaming experience on the Steam Deck, adjusting the graphics settings can be beneficial. Follow these steps to enable and optimize the graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access the Steam menu. Open the Steam Deck and navigate to the Steam menu by pressing the Steam button located on the left side of the device. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the Steam menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will open a new window with various options related to your Steam account and device. Step 3. Select Graphics. Within the Settings menu, look for the Graphics option. Click on it to access the graphics settings where you can adjust various parameters for your games. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. In the graphics section, you will find options to change resolution, refresh rate, and other graphical features. Modify these settings according to your preferences and the performance of your games. Step 5. Save and exit. After making the desired changes, make sure to save your settings. Exit the settings menu and launch your game to see how the new graphics settings affect your gameplay. By following these steps, you can easily enable and customize the graphics settings on your Steam Deck for an improved gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.